Sorry, I must apologise now. I needed to change the battery in my camera, and after I'd done it, I forgot to turn my camera back on. I've been doing quite a lot of artwork here in my art room in the last couple of weeks without filming it, just for the sheer pleasure of just experimenting and making different types of artwork. But so I got rid of all the orange off here because I wasn't very happy with it, but I'm loving the colours that I am left with because the copper mixed with the gold has just gone right through it beautifully. And now I'm just going to see if there are any more cells, because I have a few down here caused by the metallic, but also my turquoise had a little bit of pouring medium in it. I think that's pretty much it. There's hardly any bubbles, so this is really, really good, and I'm so happy with the way this has come out. To me, using my imagination again, it reminds me of a cloud formation possibly on another planet, a fantasy planet with an amazing cloud formation over it. In our world we get mostly white, grey, dark clouds or light clouds, fluffy clouds. In this world they get coloured clouds. So I will now bring this up a little closer to show you how pretty those colours are. I'm really, really happy with the way the lemon has hung around, blending to make more of a yellow colour, and using the phthalo blue as my base colour is always good. That's one of my go-to base colours now, rather than black or white, and that is just really, really pretty. I'm loving the pattern as well, created by the cup with the holes in it. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.